Hey everybody, Robert here, Cloud9 Technologies. Hope everyone's had a good week so far. Hope everybody had a good weekend last weekend. I was actually out of town. I went to visit my son in Texas, went to the Formula One race. So I did not have a chance to get any content put out. And I've actually been really looking forward to getting back because I do have my new MyQ Smart Lock by Yale and LiftMaster, and I'm actually looking forward to getting it hooked up and seeing how it all functions. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing, and then I'll be actually doing the installation this weekend. So let's get to it. Okay, so here we have the actual lock, and in here is the hub, because you have to have a hub to connect to the lock. Even though I already have one of the older ones, apparently it does not work with the lock. So in here we have just a little hub. This is a mounting plate. And then in here we have some instruction, and looks like we have a power adapter, and we have, what is that? I guess this is the device that goes on the garage door. Okay, nice. Okay, excellent. So we will get all that put together this weekend. So let's move on to the actual lock itself and see what we got. All right, so let's see what we got in here. All right. So that is the lock. Actually, it's got a nice weight to it. I kind of like that. Nice. I guess that's going to be connecting to a device inside the door. Let's take this out here. And what do we have here? You know, they never make these things as easy as they should be. All right. So, all right. So I guess that's what connects to the actual lock itself. And here are the internals and actually the other side of the lock. It's pretty nice. There's a lot of weight to this, which actually I'm a little surprised by. It's all metal other than this little plastic plate right here. That's nice. It's got a rubber gasket for the door. And wow, look at that. They actually give you batteries. But I've actually read several posts that say you should replace your own batteries, or put your own batteries in instead of use those, because who knows how long these have been sitting on the shelf, and a lot of times they'll die rather quickly. So we'll have to see about that. And I guess this is some additional hardware. Yep, hardware components. Okay, so there you have it. Just kind of wanted to do a quick let's see what's in the box video, and let you know that we will have the actual installation and setup coming up this weekend. So you definitely want to make sure you hit that subscribe, and you definitely want to like the video. I would sure appreciate that. And check back with me this weekend, and we'll do the installation. So I hope to see you then. Thanks for watching.